People, we are here. Good fish, what's it? Good fish. Oh gosh, how you doing? Eat some food, you gotta drink some soup first, bust the gas.
You don't know.
You good?
Yeah, give them a 95 out of 100.
If you say it's good, you know, you have to be good in a card. Drop on a house.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom, road trip people. We on a road trip today. Where are you going, Landon? We're going to Border, Jamaica, which is one of those communities that was impacted by Hurricane Melissa heavily. Damaged it very bad, so we want to see what the new update looked like. We're also going to be driving through some of those communities that was heavily impacted also. So hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy this road trip and sightseeing with us. Oh yeah, let's not forget about the seafood.
Oh wow. I just switched up them one eat.
Oh, when you come back, man?
And then she's selling the cheap piece. Not done.
So you run out, me now back up in the car, me now. I will say, me know that confidence there back up.
Next week.
We pull over on the road back, but me now back up. Don't come on that side and back up.
Yeah. Somebody firm, it don't say I can then turn back up.
We'll find
and
him.
And then when the small side, we'll have to take all of him.
Remember say they with God's favorite.
No animal over this one. Makes sense.
Come on, you place up before Latino. Yeah, man. No, no that.
So what's burning? See, what's the way catch my walk get you get the real island. Real Jamaican place, man.
We're on food tour now.
So you're entering to the school now.
We're on food tour.
I mean, the nice one of them to Jamaica, you took the thing on the nice one.
Listen, I got some good parts too, you know. And see, it's school there, no Jamaica. My school.
Well, we have
Charlotte, we still in Hanover?
No.
No, we're in Westmoreland. From Technical High. Westmoreland. That's what the Indian food is.
Are you about the bakery?
Oh, it's a house now, property for the sugar cane. Like I went back in the days. Person who used to work with Froome Sugar Factory
Yeah.
used to live there.
Yeah, the history now.
Yeah. Yeah. Sugar cane factory. Oh, that house blow down right there.
But this is where the hurricane hit the most. This is the
Right
area.
here. Caribbean sugar. New station, the new police station.
Andrew was going to trace me off.
One time when we used to come over here, so
Yeah, Andrew said, this is disgraceful. I want to stop begging.
oh my god.
Andrew.
And that. They say they recall that. We missed the birds. see you. I thought Jamaicans do that for cats. Alright.
So what then?
See what? What am I looking at?
Oh no.
Chief, you're still access straight?
Yeah.
Hey, we did it right there.
I hope so.
It ain't even nothing to record. I ain't doing turn back.
Put in the right one, man, right. I bet we'll come up on the main road.
Alright guys, as you can see, this area right here was heavily impacted by Hurricane Melissa. As you can see, some of the houses, they still building on them. Some of them still don't have roofs. Some of them just holding it together. Because Jamaica is still in need, people. Jamaica is still in need. Majority of it is built up, but this community right here where it was heavily impacted, as you can see, they still need help. So let's not stop giving, people.
I mean, it's like you're not even doing nothing. Just chill it on your walk so then I get back for and fully. From
He
a
won't
farm.
go spot for my friend, for my man come from Westmoreland way.
Yeah, man.
Yes, boy.
From
Alright.
Yeah, when you know the testimony.
Good.
I don't know what you're talking about.
What? Yeah, White House. Over by your house, Adrian.
Alright, people. I don't know what's going on, but we're stuck in traffic right here. Oh, that? Oh, gosh. Are you talking about that brick right here, sir?
Oh my God, look on this.
This one? Yeah, ancient. I didn't the last enough from the ancient days. We made a quick stop. You know, road trip, we got to take some stops. So we looking at some tiles. Cause we building houses.
Outside. And the
So
one.
this is what you put on the outside.
Too dark.
This?
This one, I would rather to use this.
I like these, yeah, those, that type.
You like this?
Yeah, that look, yeah, that look more like the outside.
You look real nice.
Yeah.
This don't look more real. This look more. Yeah, but remember, we have this kind of veranda. I don't too crowded for the outside.
So which one you say?
You'd have to get something clear, white.
Okay.
Let me take your pictures.
People, we are here. Border, remember the hurricane hit Border very hard. Oh look, they build up over there. They build it up over there. This is the old part right here. Still a little damage there, but it's not that bad. Right? My crew, everybody left me already. We're gonna walk on the side a little bit so you can see what I'm going. Right? But we here though. Look over there. See you, man, see you. One thing we're over here, people. The road busy. And the people them busy too. You have to know who we got to, because everybody's food not good. So, gotta make sure I cross the road in time too. Alright? Come on. Alright. See what's going on? Let's walk. Did it once. Hold this. Hold this.
Prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking. Jamaica running. Prime time Lando. Yeah, we dip on the road. Truck them rolling. Blessings overload. From Georgia to Florida. God in my soul.
Everything is here.
Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control.
Good, Bammy. How you doing?
I am doing good, my dear.
That's what I'm talking about. Seafood, you know.
Real sorrel juice.
Where I say real sorrel juice.
Real sorrel juice. Jamaican sorrel juice right here.
Jamaican.
Sorrel juice.
You sure you get that from Jamaica?
Real. Me make it.
You make it?
Me make it.
Alright. Now we soak up. Mon. Oh no, he ain't trying to mon. When you take some mon over there, but he ain't trying to mon. Oh, up where? Up where? The master will go up. Yeah, but I'm like a foreigner. Yes, man, I'm a foreigner. You're right.
No, man. You live, man. What you talk about? We don't know when you live up there.
You live around that's above. No, live up there either.
You live there, you go back up there.
Alright, that's what we live. I know over much.
Go and take time. Place we know to man, I know about Lucy, all the place.
You know Lucy? Lucia! Yeah. What? I'm coming right back, babe.
Alright.
Catch the stars. What you do?
5,000.
What you buy?
Yeah, but I like to have options. Even though if you're fresh.
Put a smile on, man.
But Cheryl,
Sharon?
Cheryl, what's that? And I Cheryl do man name.
Oh, sure. So what want to do?
want some fried fish.
These people, it's updated.
But I like them men.
See that? Nice. Hello.
For YouTube video, me, I have to buy a pack of bammy.
You're not on the video.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Hello, you know what the mommy?
No, right now. I them me following. I'm wait for.
Come and buy something for me here.
I'm waiting on the stars.
Here, darling.
All right. How you doing? What you all about? Hold on in. How's the
Which
festival?
one tastes good? It's good.
Festival good.
Yeah, and you know I'm a festival queen, you know, so I know good festival. This one right here, what's it say? I said Roland.
Where we get it from?
It's a hot and ready.
Hot and ready.
So when you come to
You
Border,
made the
check out
festival?
hot and ready. Alright,
Alright.
this is where I put up on the YouTube channel.
You.
Look at this now.
We say taste and buy.
So it's a taste and buy. So guess what now?
All right.
Even if me don't want to buy from her, I still have to patronize her because the first one me get it free.
All right. No,
So
sir.
you see what I say? That's so business you know.
See the people. Collette Hot fish. Oh, Hot Spot fish.
And natural juice. Open the box and show them the natural juice.
Natural juice. Up this
Want to
one.
taste the onion? Come in up there.
Hello?
Natural juice. Real Jamaican juice.
I'm ready. No, I mean,
How the soup taste? Active. Alright. Miss Chambers. Oh, I forgot to have multiple chambers out here. Oh
I
gosh.
said Mrs.
Mrs. Chambers.
Yeah.
How you like it?
Why you all need some more festival?
Yes, darling.
Hello.
Come over here, let us see your face.
I see an active
Oh, you camera at top. Oh.
festival.
Huh?
How much you want?
Bring with 10 more.
You go eat
You want it?
Just bring the 10.
I'll get the soup.
Lando go on festival.
Jamaican
Let me.
made.
So what about bammy? Nobody not fried the bammy sandwich.
Bammy over
Such
here.
already have bammy. You have bammy.
We have all that one.
Everything
Ask
will go
the
down.
lady to patronize her.
Where you get the soup from?
So we're going to spend with her Friday.
Alright. Soup me up. I get me some soup. Good day, good day, good day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some of that good soup there. What kind of soup is that?
Fish soup is
Strictly fish, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
101.
One.
This size one.
Into the side.
350, 600.
Yeah, the small one. Eat some food, you gotta drink some soup first, bust the gas.
Alright, carry you. How much have you got? Two? Yeah.
People the soup bad. Thanks for coming. How's the fish?
Good.
As a chef. Sorry, she's not ready.
Cool.
How's the fish, Jamaica?
Very good.
Yeah, stuff your face. I just want. But I have two on your plate too. I say fish good.
Active.
Swimmers.
Active, man. Active.
Alright, Charlotte, as a chef.
You don't know.
You good?
Yeah, give them a 95 out of 100.
If you say it's good, you know, you have to be good enough because you don't like nobody food.
Yeah, because you know, say me not eat out. And when you see me I eat, you know it go.
Alright.
Show them where it comes from.
Where you come from?
What's your name, mommy? Collette?
Collette.
Colette. People come check out Collette Hot
Check
Spot
out
fish.
Hot already run from the back with the
Hot
festival.
and ready.
Hot and ready.
Active.
Big up.
Yeah, man. Steam bammy at festival all the time. Fry fish. Yeah, bar at the place.
Ah.
Leave the taste of natural juice now.
That's
Real
coming.
Jamaican sorry juice.
Real Jamaican style juice.
Yes.
Okay.
real.
That's a start.
Alright, people. My turn to eat, consume.
Coming down.
Look at that fish, man. Stop playing.
Give me one drink. Not too big. Remember, we don't get light yet.
Ain't no such
Seriously?
Seriously. We don't get light
You
yet.
get no light yet?
So I guess I might light same way.
You like? No.
Yeah, hold it.
People, still no light in border, but it look good. It's update.
Not only border, at our home.
Yeah?
Yeah, October. It's like they come in. Some persons have light, but I don't get mine.
What place are they in Mount Carmel?
Still no light, people.
Carmel.
This what? 6 months later?
I think it's in Long Hill. Yes. Yes. Let me tell you, sometimes you see, I really...
Yeah.
You want me to open it?
She make a crib now.
What if she can't
You know
walk?
that most money. I know I'm going to depend by Jamaica.
Because you're not opening the bammy.
People have to be like, go to either.
Yes, God, another day, another
Yes,
day.
man.
So how much money we have for hot already, I know.
I give thanks that you guys enjoying yourself.
But
Yeah, sure.
yeah, man,
You just extend.
The fish is Jamaica, you taste the difference in the fish?
You? Yeah, me.
No more, you can't.
Where's the chef? I want Nick chef this too. I want Nick chef this. I say active.
Eh? Darling, they're there. Me know who
7 people for the stuff.
Me know who quite well.
Come in. Adrian. Alright.
Grab pizza.
I'm very sorry.
Come on, fish bad.
You can put juice on this now.
She used her hand anyway, so.
Got no work.
Now we're.
What now
On the
we're?
bammy.
And the bammy?
Onion.
Anybody else want any juice? What do you want?
We try juice and put more onion too.
Say.
Yeah. Food is good. I'm satisfied already.
The bammy tastes different. If I give you so much,
It's not
you can
fried.
eat them?
Not good, man.
Bake.
Steam. So them.
Steam bammy. Steam bammy, people.
Yes, darling. You come on. Okay.
Damn, let me know some of it's cool. The big one, then.
Pushing out what?
The big one, the little one.
Some of them should
Bono.
I'm sitting on them right now. Brother Prince, call the shrimp lady.
Patsy.
Now, how many
You
times?
name
How
them.
many times?
Brother
was this
Prince,
one
Miss
in there?
Patsy.
How many stars one there?
One senior.
Serious?
Simit.
Yes, senior Simit.
You answer why Jamaica never say Smith, then say Simit.
You sell single fish?
Yes. They want to taste the shrimp. Look at them.
And the one, Marcus, really?
Come on, only I saw 1,000. So.
You 7 to 8 minutes? Are you 7 to 8 minutes?
No. I normally eat them, but each time I eat, I kind of feel sick of the fish. So maybe never eat too much. I won't, but we just have to.
Buddy.
Time to go.
Check out this.
Pepper shrimp.
Yeah.
Spicy shrimp.
Oh, Lord. You see? They say not afraid of you know. Hey, they receive.
Only little part you need is the two little spring something there. And you know, nothing.
Yeah.
Everything.
Pepper. But pepper good. And these are called escavies. After the video still
I'm
now.
going to send buy one breakfast, don't know, one up here, so it's 2,500. Not it.
2,500, 2,500. Remember, say be Oslo and the partner say,
You feel it?
Oslo.
I mean, I don't give a got fish.
What, sorry. What am I deal with them?
You know, eat the fish egg.
What? Jamaican, I eat no fish egg.
Put your fire so.
Yeah.
Eh?
You know we eating.
I like fleshy things. Let's see about fleshy.
Yes, I am. Alright, people.
I want to ask her first again.
Absolutely empty. 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 Your boss?
You better eat this.
That's your boss. Everybody finish their food. Y'all come check her out. Oh, she make a clean up plate. Huh? You have to advertise yourself. Tell the people where they can find you. And
Here I am.
Hello?
I'm Collette Hot Spot Fish Shop. I'm right here. Yes.
Where then?
Call and place your order for better services.
Put your border. We are wrap this up.
alright, big up Collette. Miss Collette. Be respectful.
Miss Collette. Sister Collette.
Sister Collette.
Yes.
Go
Miss
for the
Collette,
restaurant
Sister Collette.
Alright.
Oh, kind of about them.
Good food now, yes, all your man, sir.
T-shirt, I watch your belly.
Hey.
Get some sorrel juice, people. Get to sample it. Go tell you what it's like.
What kind of fish you tell me?
We are Jamaican, man.
So if you like fish already,
God almighty.
go find them one name.
I feel crazy as they're Jamaican like
We got
myself.
your own cup. You want this?
So if you feel like you want some more rum, you can add more rum to it. Little bit in there, man. The junky people that man. Where's the drive?
You want some?
I want it there,
Give it. Come here, you want it.
Want another cup?
One place to go.
Are we more go Latina?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Trucking in Jamaica, people. Ah. One bar there.
Yeah, I right spot with hope. The thing God always leave at the right place.
Yeah.
And I was surprised because I was
Yes,
like,
yes, that's
Lord,
right. It's parrot.
We're taking to go.
Parrot. Nice.
Apart, we ain't get to know.
Yeah, I didn't get the big parrot. Parrot, I didn't.
This is to go. This is to go. You know the food good if we getting something to
Packing
go.
up.
That's it. Whole bag full of bammy. Who got fish it?
Mine.
Okay. Oh, you want?
Give me that no one give me.
Bammy of your too.
You get
Bammy
your
of
you get your fish.
Alright, give me for me all of them.
Yeah, they can put this in there.
People, we still spending.
Give me Malta. I don't forget it. Yeah. I don't forget it.
What? Alright, people. That is that. Border. They rebuild it good, people. Look at this. We about to head up to Santa Cruz, visit some more people. I might bring y'all along, but that's gonna be in the next video. That's gonna be in the next video. I don't want the video to be too long. Alright? I don't want the video too long, so I'm just gonna end it right here. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share. Go check out that lady. What's her name? What lady name? Not even go check her out. She have it. The lady we just buy the food from. Either way, thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, share. It's your boy Lando, and I am the man, though. Bo. But we can't survive. Run, Jamaica, run! You going to the bathroom?